It's been a week of hands-on workshops led by the DHSS team, keynotes by invited scholars, and even guided tours and field trips. The summer school has covered a range of DH areas and areas of specialization of our department, including the study of fiction through computational methods, social network analysis, cultural geography and cultural heritage modeling, and social bias in large language models. Front and center to the summer school has been the work of the newly established lab Text and Language, founded in the spring 2025 by the Humboldt professor at the department, Michaela Malberg. The work of the lab has encompassed a wide range of analytical methods and approaches to the study of textual data, from corpus linguistics to computational literary studies to NLP. The main aim of all its projects has been to unite quantitative rigor and scale and in-depth qualitative analysis of texts, and its work has tackled topics in climate humanities, creativity in AI, and register analysis. The theme of the summer school is gender, data, and society, and the lab has showcased tools and methods for analyzing gender patterns in language, with workshops focusing on concordance reading using tools such as Flexicon, for analyzing gender representation in 19th century English fiction, examining gender bias in AI-produced stories, identifying linguistic features associated with a particular gender through key feature analysis, a corpus linguistic method, critically reflecting on visualizations in non-binary gender patterns, and finally, creating visual representations of published research on gender in the form of visual abstracts.